In order to find the value for x, we're going to need to remember that I have two chords, and those two chords intersect inside the circle. So that means I'm going to need to use pop, pop, which is pop equals pop, where pop means product or stands for product of pieces. We need to also know what the word product actually means. So the product of two numbers is what you get after you multiply them together. So product means that we'll be multiplying. So we've already gotten our big multiplication sign highlighted. But whatever is on the same chord, that's what I'll be multiplying together. So 9 times 16 needs to be equal to me multiplying the other piece of the chord together, 8 times x. So 9 times 16 is 144, and 8 times x is 8x. Now I can divide both sides by 8, and 144 divided by 8 is 18. So x is equal to 18. For number 8, it is no longer going to be a pop-pop situation. It instead is going to be an ow-ow situation. So I know that because I have a tangent and a secant that meet outside the circle. If it's outside, it'll be ow-ow. Remember, ow-ow stands for outside times whole, meaning the whole section. So you might need to find the whole piece. Most times you are going to need to add your pieces together unless they already tell you the length of the whole piece. For this one, they do not tell me the length of the whole piece. But if I start with this secant, I'm going to do the outside piece times the whole piece, set it equal to the outside piece times the whole piece of the other secant or tangent. For this one here, my outside piece is just 9. 9 is just this piece right here. So 9 times the whole piece. This whole piece, let's say x was 1. If it was 1, then the whole piece would be 10, right? We would be adding those pieces together. So we'll be adding them together. Make sure you don't say it's 9x, because that's 9 times x, not 9 plus x. And that's going to be equal to the outside piece of the tangent here. The outside piece is 12, and we will multiply that by the whole piece. The whole piece is also 12, so it is going to be 12 times 12, or 12 squared. Anytime you have a tangent, it will be squared. So 12 times 12 is 144, and I will need to distribute my 9 in. 9 times 9 is 81, and 9 times x is 9x. Then from there we can solve our equation as usual. We can subtract 81 from both sides, and we can say minus 81 minus 81, and 9x equals 63. Then from there I can divide both sides of my equation by 9. Divide by 9, divide by 9. And x is going to be equal to 7.